Fuck me.
It actually goes on.
This is crazy. Do you care if I go on this side for right now?
Heads up. Good shit, good shit. John baptized Jesus. When he did, the Spirit of God appeared. Holy shit.
Holy fuckballs.
Hey, it's Mallory. I'm in an accident. God dang.
Oh no, where are you at?
St. Joe and the Lloyd.
Plate Texas RDG 2704. What is this guy doing?
Thanks. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Scoot. If I gotta be a dickhead, I'm gonna be in a dickhead.
party people. Long time no see. Hey, dude, what's your problem, man? Can't you see what's going on? Did you race me to the fucking to the light? Did you race me to the light? Did you beat me? Did you beat me to the light? What's your problem, fool? What's your problem? You can't see what the fuck's going on? I'm passing other fucking cyclists and assholes are turning in. So go fuck yourself.
Hey, we can take the lane so you don't. Yes.
Yes.
We can take the lane. That's
Go
the law.
fucking read a book, bitch.
That's the law.
Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, it's called the driver's ed book. Maybe you'll fucking learn how to drive then. Really? You're the one honking at a fucking cyclist, you piece of shit.
We own the lane. It's called share the road. That's the law. Go
Where are
read
you
the
going?
book. That's the fucking law. It's called share the road with cyclists. Go read it. He's not making this shit up.
Where were you
He's not
going?
making
You
it up.
beat
I'm
me
dead
to the red
serious.
light.
He's not making
You're
it
a
up.
fucking man. Whoa, you G. So why are you honking at me then? Really? It's dangerous? You're the reason why I'm in the fucking lane, because of people like you that won't wait for 2 fucking seconds for somebody to fucking get out of the fucking road. You couldn't see what the fuck's going on because you're not paying attention. No, obviously not. You would have seen that there's fucking cars pulling over and there's fucking cyclists on the right and there was fucking plates. Really? You're the big guy fucking harassing a cyclist. What a piece of shit you are. Get the fuck out of here, man. Go ahead, have a nice day. You happy?